Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete chat history on ChatGPT. So if you want to delete your chat history on ChatGPT, here's a quick guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and type in the chatgpt.com website, or go to chat.openai.com. Then this will also take you down to ChatGPT website. Then after that, then tap on the two-line icon at the left top corner of the screen, the two-line icon. Tap on it. Then from there, tap on your profile icon. Then tap on settings. Then after that, scroll down a little bit. Then tap on delete all chat. Tap on the delete all right in front of it. And from here, you can simply clear all your chat history. So there's a prompt: are you sure you want to delete all your chat history? And this will also clear up. This will also clean your memory for chats as well. So for you to be able to delete the chat history, you have to click on confirm deletion. So tap on confirm deletion, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.